Hey everyone, I got a quick one for you today. We all love or hate Excel. It's a wonderful tool to be able to use in our business, but it's difficult to remember all the different ways to write formulas in Excel. So I'm going to show you a quick AI way to speed up the process of creating the spreadsheet of your dreams. And it's called gptexcel.uk. Now, it's one of several of its type of AI, so feel free to use any of the others. This just happens to be the one that I use on a regular basis. And what's great about it is if you can tell it what you want to do, it will tell you how to do it in Excel or Google Sheets or Airtable. In this case, I'm going to show you two ways that we do it in Excel. So over here is the formula builder. And if I come in here and I describe what I want to do, let's say that I want to combine two cells with a space in between. And I click generate. Over here, it shows me what I need to copy and paste in the cell in order to be able to do that. I can just click the copy button and then go paste it into my spreadsheet. What's cool about the evolution of this tool is they also now have an AI chatbot where I could come in and if I wanted to iterate what I was trying to put in the cell, I could do it by actually having a chat with the AI bot, which will also do a pretty good job of explaining what it's doing. So let's say I took the same thing there. How do I combine information from two cells with a space in between? So now we get a pretty good explanation, both including a formula or what I could just type into the cell directly. So just a quick one, but it's great for when you need to do something in Excel, but you don't do it often enough to remember how to do it.